Welcome to your merchant dashboard. To take a payment through the virtual terminal, select the tab from the menu on the left called Virtual Terminal. Select Sale and enter the transaction amount, your customer's phone number, and email address. Next, key enter your customer's card number, security code, expiration date, and the cardholder's name. Input an invoice number and transaction description as well. You also have the option to make this transaction a recurring payment or installment. If you choose this option, the customer will be charged either weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on how you choose to set it up. Moving on to customer details, you will input the cardholder's billing and shipping address. Inputting this information will help your transactions qualify at the best rates possible and will deter fraudulent activity. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click Process. A summary of your transaction will pop up for you to review. You also have the option to include a non-cash convenience fee to help offset the cost to process credit cards. This fee can be removed by clicking the X you see on the screen. A window will pop up for you to enter your password to authenticate this decision. It is that simple. For this demonstration, we will process with the non-cash convenience fee. After the transaction is processed, you can choose to print a receipt. A copy of the receipt will be emailed to your customer. The customer receipt displays a summary of the transaction and an option for your customer to rate their transaction experience. Another way to process payments is through an e-invoice. Start by entering the transaction amount and your customer's phone number and email address. Select Pay Now link to send an invoice to your customer's email address. Select the Valor Lite QR option to generate a QR code that can be printed or copied to your clipboard for easy sending. Now on to viewing transactions. To view your processed transactions, select the Transaction tab from the menu on the left. On this page, you can see if transactions are approved, declined, or pending. If you have any questions or are interested in learning more about how a virtual terminal may be right for your business, please contact us through one of these methods.